making pretty good progress. Got that whole corner cleaned out. Got this whole shelf pretty much cleaned out. Got that whole corner cleaned out. Got some of it up there cleaned out. Just gotta do a bit more organizing. Gotta mess with this area a bit more. Figure out what stays and goes and just clean it up a bit. Doing good though. All right, well, I just got done moving the shelf. That hurt my ears so bad from it scraping, but I put this over here because my dad's bringing down another freezer, and I'm thinking we shove one here, one there, so they're right next to each other. And then, you know, over here, he's bringing down a quad lift, and I'm thinking we could put that right there. But I don't know. Because I know we're not just gonna want it laying in the middle. We might, I don't know, who knows, but. Oh yeah, that's that. I'm gonna try to organize this a bit more. So this is all cleaned up and now this corner's open. But yeah, going well. Well, just got done. I was hoping there'd be more room up there, but I had to put more boxes that were over here before up there. So it's fine. I might move a couple of more boxes over to my mom's depending on what is gonna stay here and what moves. Yeah, so this is just miscellaneous stuff in the corner. Move the shelves over, got these all cleaned up. Air compressor. Quad ramps. Looking pretty good. Push the quads in and I think we'll call it a day. So it's the next day. Garage looks good. I'm gonna get the 450 a little cleaning. She's a little dirty. So yeah, gonna get it a little clean. Got the bike all cleaned up. Looking pretty good. Still got a lot of soap left over, so I think the Frontier is gonna get a clean too. So, looking good. So here's an update now of what this looks like. We've got a lot of organizing to do. A lot of it. Toolboxes. Still got one more quad. And I got some stuff in there too. So, a lot more organizing.